Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website, you can improve your online presence, outrank your competition, and of course, get more clients. So let's start with your website. I have a blog here, and the first thing that I have to point out is that it's not secure. And this is something simple that it can be done from whoever is managing your domain. This can be annoying and this can scare away potential new customers or whoever is trying to reach your website because at some point they can have a warning, saying that this website is not secure and they're not going to end up landing on your site. The second thing that is very, very important is content. You need to have content. And by content, not just only images, but words. And it has to be original content because Google has an algorithm that can detect if something is copy and paste from other places. And also, you need to add the keywords that you want to be found for. For example, New Jersey Cleaning Services or Best New Jersey Cleaning Services, that kind of stuff. And it has to be placed in specific places on your website so it can be found for. Um, Moving forward, that will be the first thing that I can suggest, especially on the homepage. And then for the sub pages, for example, residential here, let's see what you have. Yes, you can definitely add more content in each one of these sub pages. That will definitely will help you a lot. If we go and look at the back end of your website, you can see that you're not being found for any keywords, nothing. And I'm going to be explaining what backlinks are, how is that affecting your domain rating, which will help you to rank on any Google uh, organic search. Oops, sorry. And how is that affecting the URL rating, which will help you to rank for the map section. So, for example, if I go to Google and type clean services freehold, which might be one of your areas, the first thing you're going to see here is the traditional Google ads. And this is when you pay Google to run a campaign, but you get charged every time somebody clicks on your ad. And depending on the keyword that you're targeting for, it can be from 1 cent to hundreds of dollars. Moving on next, we have the map section. And this is very important because this is where you want to be as well. Regardless where your location is, it matters what areas are you covering. For example, if you be covering Newark, New Jersey, for example, but you in Freehold, it doesn't matter. You can still show up for a Newark search in the map section. You need to optimize your Google My Business. If you don't have one, you need to create one, but it has to be optimized. You have to add content to it as well, and that will help you to rank in this top three. And then we have the organic results version number one with Made Pro. It's a directory, Yelp, another directory, Care, same thing, Home Advisor, same thing. But here's what I see might be your one of your, I believe, competition. And if I pull out the website, you can see that they have a little more of content, which is helping them to rank in this specific position over here. Let's see which is number one, number two, three, four, they're in fifth position. So you can see that content is helping them. They have the sub pages here, for example, let's click cleaning, and they have more content than you do, and you can see the difference, and that's why they're being found on that page. Now, just for your reference, 67% of the people that do a Google search, they don't even pass this top three or this top three over here. Not even go all the way down, not even to the second or third page. So that's something you might want to take in consideration because you can be missing a lot of new potential new clients. So you can see that going back to their website, they have more content, and this can be easily done for your website, so you can start ranking on those results. If we look at the end of their website, you can see that they're being found for 201 keywords. Um, they have 155 backlinks. Now, these backlinks, Uh, they need to be relevant. They need to be powerful because you can have hundreds and hundreds of backlinks, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, it's not going to help you at all, and you're not going to be um, ranking at all. So we can see that all this is helping them to have 40 visits a month on traffic to the website, and that's a lot. But again, this is something I believe this is something easy that we can compete against. And let's take a look and see what keywords are they being found for. Okay, for example, cleaning services, Monmouth County, New Jersey. They're ranking in fourth position. They just climbed two positions since last month. There's an average of 150 searches a month just for this keyword. And if you will be running Google Ads, it will cost around $5. So this is something interesting to know because 150 searches a month, that means potential new clients or potential clients. Cleaning services, Freehold, New Jersey, 30 searches a month. If you're going to be running Google Ads, it will cost you every time somebody clicks on it $7. But here's the value information. All these searches a month that you can actually take advantage of that. Um, Other than that, to wrap things up, because I don't want to take too much of your time, I hope you find this video useful. If you think we can help you out, our information, our contact information will be attached to the email. And I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.